I'm going to present to you an innovation which is quite simple, and it's more a process innovation more than a technological innovation. This is Amadeus white label merchandising solution. We are tackling one very well-known problem today. You know, I would like to sell more ancillary services on the indirect channel, and this is a travel agency say, yeah, but it's more work. So we are going to propose a solution for that. So first, what do you need to innovate? So there is two mistakes in my presentation, you will see. To innovate, you need one ID. You need an addressable market. So this is common to all innovation and startups and all of that. So in Amadeus, we have this addressable market. We have some people having IDs. And you need critical mass of content. I mean, with ATPCO, you have 400 airlines. So somehow, the ATPCO is bringing the critical mass. You can launch a product based on ATPCO content everywhere in the world. You can use your addressable market everywhere because you have the critical mass. In particular here, we have all of this critical mass on baggage, which is an important part of this innovation. The first mistake in this slide is we said an ID that makes sense and that can be transformed in a successful product. So, okay, that may be a man, a smart guy. Then we have the challenge of the ancillary services. So you know that customers of travel agencies would like to have the same service as the online direct channel, like the airline website. So they need to have these ancillary services, but the travel agencies are struggling with that because it requires more time and resources. You know, you heard about that. Yeah, why selling ancillaries? It's more work. You could have from OTAs, for example, you could implement some technical solutions, but still you need some time to design the screens and everything. There is a cost-benefit balance. It's not obvious for everyone. And on top of that, even if the filing is centralized in ATPCO, we see a lot of variations. For example, for baggage, you have 400 codes. So it requires time also to remember for the offline agent which code to use, etc. So all of that is, we are struggling a bit with adoption on the ancillaries. And of course, we need to change, in particular for offline agents, you need to change how they are selling. So we are going to solve this. This is the idea of the innovation. How we are going to do that is kind of self-service, so it's end-to-end from the inspiration, asking someone, are you interested in a service, up to the back office. So it's a complete solution. It is automated, so it notifies the traveler, you will see how. It's based on responsive website, so it can be used on mobile, it can be used on desktop. And the sale is done on behalf of the travel agent, but with no travel agent intervention, no manual activities. So it's fast and easy, no implementation, no technical stuff on the travel agency. It's completely transparent once he subscribes to the product. So how it is working? The agent is doing his regular process. So he's selling a ticket as usual. He's good at that, not changing the processing. But if he subscribes to this innovation, a mail will be sent to the traveler at a given time. Oh, you are doing a long haul with no baggage allowance. You didn't buy any box. Are you interested to buy a bag or select a seat? It will be done at the right time. So it's big data processing, 2 days before, 3 days before the departure time based on what we see on the market. So it's sent to the traveler. It's personalized in his own language, localized. So the self-service will say, oh yeah, I would like to have a bag. So he will select this. He will go to the website, responsive design. So whatever is the device is working. He will see the bags and seat proposal. Once he click on purchase, he will pay via the travel agency payment provider. It will be done inside the travel agency PNR exactly if it was done manually and going back to the back office. So, well done. There is a confirmation email. Anyway, the back office is updated, but you still have an email going to the traveler and going to the travel agency, so you know what is happening for his traveler. This is the example of a real case. This is production case, but it's recorded. It's Destinia Travel Agency. The notification is sent to the traveler, as we said, sometime before departure. So the ticket was sold. So now he's clicking on, yeah, why not taking some ancillary services? Clicking on the mail, landing on the page. No, it wasn't music. Can you stop? Yeah. So he's selecting the ancillary services. So there is a bags here, taking the bags. Oh yeah, I would like to select my seat. And then you select the seat. So when you have 8-minute pitch, you better take a one-way instead of a round trip, because you will see that here, I am standing like that. This is the second mistake of the presentation. Okay. Yeah, say 8-minute pitch, why are you doing a round trip? Okay. So this is the end of the round trip. So you can select a nice seat for the return. Now you have this selection. You have a total price, of course. Better to be informed of the total price. And you have the terms and condition, which is very important. This is taking from ATPCO filing. All of that is from the filing. You don't have to do anything. So we take the refundability tax from the filing of OCs, and we inform the passenger directly. He confirms the payment, and we need to come back to the travel agency world. So this is Destinia payment provider that is used here, exactly like in his own website, doing the confirmation. We are updating SSRs, EMDs, all of that is done behind the scene. We are confirming this sale. We have the mail of the traveler. And of course, in the setting, you have the mail of the travel agencies, and you receive the confirmation mail from the system. So, just summarizing a bit, because I have plenty of time, even with the round trip stuff. So, this innovation is quite simple, and it's only based on, we are constantly said, I want to sell more ancillary services on indirect sale. Travel agencies say, yes, I would like to, but it takes time. Online travel agencies said, yeah, we can do it on the website, but yeah, you know, it's small stuff to buy, small margin, etc. So I hope you get the idea. We fully automated that. And I think this is quite interesting to see innovation via processes also, not only via the sciences and complex stuff. We do that also. But here we are tackling your issue, selling more ancillary services. And I invite you to come to our booth at the Expo, where you will have our colleagues from Airline IT showing you the very nice and new products we have around personalized merchandising that can be powered your NDC solutions. So please, you are very welcome to this booth. Thank you very much.
Very well done. Perfect use of timing, Hervé.
Yeah. I have plenty of time.
Look at this.
Okay.
So, a couple of questions from me.
Yeah.
So this is all about speed to market.
Yeah.
Right? For the agency, it's giving the agency digital capabilities.
Yeah.
Right. What is the adoption of this?
So we are just launching that. We are expecting quite a lot, in particular in offline, because they said, just sell ancillary services with no activities on your side. Right. So it can be just a win-win, I think.
Okay. And it looks like a mobile-first implementation?
It can be mobile. In fact, it's based on email and driving to a website. Right. You can receive from your desktop. Makes no difference. The website is responsive design. It can be displayed in all devices. Okay.
And the tie into payment. I know Amadeus is getting deeper into payment, and I think payment is the big challenge for the industry moving forward with all the different standards coming in. Is that using the new Amadeus payment services? Not
necessarily. Here we are using the payment provider of the travel agency, so we are open. We are one of the providers, but the solution is open to all payment providers, including IATA BSP.
And so this is being launched, and do you have some launch customers?
Yeah, it's our launch customers currently.
Very good. All right, thanks very much.